Telegram, the world-famous most used instant messaging application. The competition between internet-based instant communication services is getting fiercer by the day. Telegram's success has WhatsApp worried. Telegram, one of the most popular messaging apps of recent years, is spreading rapidly on a global scale and reaching more users every day. Founded by Pavel Durov, the app has become the second most popular messaging app in the world after WhatsApp. Telegram's rise in popularity is also evidenced by a study conducted by Fortune magazine. According to the study, WhatsApp ranks first in global messaging shares with 44%, Telegram is second with 31%. Over the last 5 years, Telegram has overtaken Facebook Messenger to become the most popular cloud-based messaging app. Telegram is now second only to WhatsApp and is narrowing the gap every year. Telegram is now a more serious competitor to WhatsApp. Unlike other messaging apps, Telegram uses a cloud-based system. This allows users to synchronize all messages across different devices and access them from anywhere, as long as there is an internet connection. In addition, Telegram uses end-to-end encryption technology to provide users with a private and secure messaging experience. The app's popularity has been boosted by WhatsApp's recent troubles over privacy policies. Many users have started to prefer Telegram over WhatsApp. This is causing competitors to worry, as Pavel Durov pointed out in a statement on the Telegram channel. Telegram's popularity and user base is growing every day. The app is also widely used, especially in the business world, and offers many customizable features. Let's see who will break the record again at the end of 2023. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily short news. Don't miss the next news tomorrow.